Just having a whistle blowing contest. Is that what we're doing over here? Here we go, another Friday night Aggreko hockey game as we take on Longchamps Sons. The summer season now well underway. Hasn't stopped us from picking up some new players though. The full orange jersey is our newest member, Steve. New hockey player. We'll give him his first taste of organized hockey this summer. No Troy, our latest new pickup. He's out this week, but we do have Tyler back after missing last week. So a pretty good amount. Once George, our captain, gets out here, we'll have a full bench.
I thought I was going to fuck that in.
What do we got, a penalty? So we get the early power play out of it. Let's see how we do. Nice job to keep it in. Oh, backhand shot just wide. Well, that wasn't great. Breakaway right out of the box and in the back of the net. Not ideal. Oh! Trying to set up the new guy.
That was self-defense, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Nice stop, right?
All right, now we got to figure out our lines here. Sending out George and Steve at the same time. Probably not our best plan of attack. But no one did ever accuse us of having strategy. One on. Here we go, Paul, have one. Oh, good little snapshot. There we go, Eric. Oh, good save. Good save. Good battle. Oh, that didn't go in, but close. That happens, it happens. Here we go, here we go. Line up outside of him, right outside of him. Yeah, there you go. Go right to the point, right to the point. Damn, they're coming after us.
We're getting some good last week.
Thank God I got him all twice.
Hey, we're passing out there, bud.
We're missing your elite goal scoring.
I did have more points last week than I do this week. That's true. If I'm expecting you'll be playing with Steve on the face-offs, give him a heads up on where to stand. He hasn't played organized yet. Still coming, still coming. Woo! Jesus.
You're welcome.
Here we go, Kurt. Have a look. Oh! Ah! Paul looking to make something happen. On the day of his retirement as well, tries the wrap around, no good. That's right, Paul's last day of work today. We gotta give him a win to celebrate, I think. Take a look, take a look.
Nice job, nice job.
Nah.
Unfortunately, without me, they might be back here.
First goal with the team, there you go. Good glove save. Throw it at the skates. If he doesn't go to the RVH, it maybe goes in. Yeah, went in.
You didn't stop that?
Nope, I guess not.
That's funny, you got it.
2 on, 2 on. Here we go, Eric.
Hey, in my defense, it's just keeping you on your toes.
Is that what we call it? All right.
You're doing awesome. I mean, we're losing because of you, but you're doing great.
only one, almost 3 were because of you.
Here we go.
It's your defense. Here we go.
off the pipe.
What are you gonna wait?
Oh! Close to a first goal.
Great saves, man.
What's up, dude?
Game run.
Explain it, Cap.
Okay, so we have the Impact Player of the Game award, which is called the Bucket Award. And you don't have to score the most goals, you just have to be the most impactful player out there, that you contribute in some way that is recognized. And well, you actually played pretty damn good for fucking your first game.
Yeah.
So, congratulations. Now, you gotta pour it into the cup.
You gotta drink it.
And you gotta drink it. You get to keep the mug or the cup because it is a big magnet.
Another 5 cents.
Hey, and thanks for explaining you're supposed to pour it, because I didn't get that.
No.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah!
Alright!
Welcome to Aggreko. The fucking stickers, which are those. If you get a goal, you get a bucket sticker. If you get a hat trick, you get a big bucket sticker, and you get your choice of a bottle.
Wow. This is the quietest we've ever been.
Then
Shut
there's
up, Dad, stop.
Okay.
Alcohol's involved.
Mark used to be a player on the team, and Mark
Did a lot of dumb shit.
Was at a not
We super loud.
comedian.
obnoxious and loud. We used
Definitely
to
a
we didn't
jokester.
much
He brought the bucket.
Before any game, we'd all put in bottles.
That was pretty good, I knew that all the
And
time.
the rule was that you had to take a shot out of every bottle. So when you have 8 or 9 bottles in the locker room, we weren't feeling any pain before we got on the ice. But then we made the mark sticker. If you're a royal fuck up and do something like, blind backhand pass the other team who scores, or
You get these.
you get a mark sticker.
You should get one to the ref or Vaughn.
Let's see.
You want to get a mark sticker?
No, you do not get a mark sticker. And you
Not
get a
yet.
bucket sticker because you didn't score. Our defenseman scored. So. So I'm telling stories there.
You look thirsty. From all that coffee. I'll drink
I
it.
have one.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have our belt award. Our belt award is the one step above the bucket award. It's recognition above and beyond the Call of Duty. And tonight's belt award goes to our retiree, our grandpa, the oldest living man in the league, Paul.
Woo! Yeah, here we go.
Oh,
Thank you, guys.
4 more years.
Speech.
Speech!
Speech.
Speech!
Want the shot?
Yeah, that's a great speech right there.